Hello guys, welcome back to our channel at Ace Electricals. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share. In today's episode, we are going to be talking about a Kambrook glass blender. This is the very same model as the Sunbeam and Sultan model. It's exactly the same model. And then now I'm going to show you the features of this incredible blender. It's a 500 watt motor. It comes with a 2-speed switch and a pulse to increase power. It has a rubber on top and a safety switch on top. And then it's for domestic. You can only use it for a minute, and then after a minute you can rest it for 30 seconds. It comes with a glass jug for 1.5 liter. It has a lid with the top, and then there's a rubber at the bottom with blades which are capable to crush ice, and a seal that stops your spillage. And now I want to highlight what could go wrong on this incredible blender. I will start with the motor. On the motor, it's either your brushes are finished, you need to replace the brushes, or the motor it's damaged. The rubber on top, this gray rubber, could also go wrong. And then on the jack, it could be spillage. In most cases, it's the spillage. Or if the jack is cracked, you need to replace the jack. And then what stops the spillage, whether on top or at the bottom? On top is this cap which goes on top of the cap. And then this small seal here on top of your blades, it's what prevents the spillage of the blender. And then now, how to avoid all the things that I've mentioned that could go wrong on this blender. This is for domestic. So usually for domestic, it's not capable to run for the long hours for a day, for the whole day. So what you could do to prevent is not to overrun the motor. You can only use it for the time that it's written there, for a minute. The longest it could go is for 2 minutes. And then when there's no liquid within the blender, it will either damage this gray knob on top or the one underneath the blades. So always add some liquid so that you don't damage these two. Either the top one or the bottom one gets damaged. The other thing that I see it in most cases happening is that when your jack does not activate the switch on top, your blender won't work. This is for safety, but if it's not activated by the jack on top, it won't work. Your motor won't work. As I've said, this is a 3-pin plug blender, and then always make sure that it's on off before you plug it in. For demonstration purposes, you see, because the safety switch is not activated, so it won't be on. But always ensure that before you plug it, make sure that it's on off. And then now I'm gonna demonstrate. I'm gonna use a banana, pieces of banana, and yogurt. And then the most ingredient of a blender, it's liquid. Always make sure that there's some liquid. Mind you, the liquid water does not change the taste. So you can always use water, juice, your milk, anything, as long as it's liquid and it's able to cover your blades, you're good to go. And always make sure that it's closed so that you don't spill your smoothie all over the place. Now we are good to go. So now, to ensure that you have grinded everything within the blender, always hit your pulse. Then grind it again. A pulse help increase the control. With pulse, it kicks everything up. The weight, the purpose of the weight is to pull the weight of each and everything within down so that it can be grinded. Thank you guys for tuning in to this episode. If you want me to review your product, please leave a comment. And if you need to buy any product, please visit our website. And then please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you on the next video.